Go.
Ian, what a douchebag.
Tapos gaganon ka.
Princess, I'm sorry. I'm willing to change for you. But I think I need your help.
Hello? What do you want? Okay, I will help you change for the better. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Kato ka na.
Ano naman?
Pasa ka.
Hello.
Go. Go. Side view mo. Salbahe ka kunyari. Salbahe. Titingin ka masama sa camera. Hindi naman doon.
Okay.
Paano lang sweet nga kayo?
Isip ko nga eh. Naku, yayo.
Go. Baby.
Tapos may flower na naman. Ano kasi?
Go.
I'm gonna. Okay, now that you look physically good, we just need one more thing. We need to do some fixing within your tiny evil heart.
Go.
Alfredo!
Sir.
Ops. You should treat people with respect.
Please buy some food for our lovely guest.
Okay.
Out ka. By the way, Alfredo!
What, sir?
I just want to apologize for the bad treatment. I'm sorry for what I've done.
Okay, sir. I hope it won't happen again next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tawag pa sana.
Go, holding hands. Oh, hawa ko may hand niya. Go, holding hands. Yan yung the end.
Flower na wala.